Adam Hamielec, Applications Engineer with Okuma America, and I'm here to show you the M560 with an optional U-axis. The U-axis provides turning functionality on a 3-axis vertical machining center. Because this feature utilizes the ATC, it can deliver additional machining functionality without manual intervention. Just like any other axis, the U-axis edition is fully programmable. This allows you to incorporate both turning functionality as well as turning contouring into your machining process. This M560 with the addition of the U-axis expands what you can accomplish with a traditional machining center.